People are searching for such quick service these days. Finding everything in a mess from the order to delivery is the worst part. A packer and mover's business deal with a number of concerns, including poor warehouse conditions, complicated tracking systems, poor time management, damaged items, and a lack of communication. The packing and moving industry as a whole appears to be chaotic. There is a need for a delivery app for movers and packers. There are several things you can do to help you with Manpower when it comes to modern management tactics. Today we will talk about a few actions you may take to amp up the game and increase your revenue with logistics management software. Let's leverage the benefits of packers and movers management software. Number 1. Moving and packing of goods. An antique or piece of glass needs extra care, whereas clothing, perishable goods, electronics, etc. require a different strategy. The management system aids in the packaging and movement of precious goods during this potentially chaotic time for a firm. Number 2. Loading and unloading of shipments. The optimization and systematization of the loading and unloading procedures are made possible by the management software. You can successfully build a plan that can be modified as necessary throughout time. Number 3. Vehicle services. For a packer and mover firm, there are many trucks and vehicles to manage, but first comes the difficult chore of locating the best truck providing agency or organization. With the right Packers and Movers app, you can quickly find the appropriate trucks. Number 4. Cooperation across networks. It can be challenging for a firm to keep track of orders coming in from every branch or office, but with logistic management software, this is no longer a problem. This unified booking system will therefore save a lot of time, money, and effort. Number 5. Enterprise planning. It's challenging to achieve without a good strategy, thus planning is an essential component of any task. When managing a business, the same principles apply. The software will aid in the creation of effective plans by offering all the information about the company's past and present performance. Number 6. Accounting. One of a company's most crucial yet challenging jobs is account management. It's complicated, and sometimes it's challenging to come up with ways to close the gaps. However, Logistics Software Development Services consolidates all pertinent data and accounting-related specifics onto a single screen. QuickWorks has got the right solution for your business. You can increase the effectiveness, speed, and order correctness of your operations with the establishment of a good warehouse management system. Our software solution will help raise client satisfaction levels for your business while lowering running costs. If you want to integrate logistics management software into your company, QuickWorks can provide specialized logistics software development services that are in line with your brand and corporate ethics.